Welcome everyone to my channel Taj Edge online classes. In this video, I will be explaining you how to calculate mean for the discrete series. So what is discrete series? As you already know, the discrete series is when they give a question with the observation, that is x, and the frequencies. Okay, let's see here. Assume that there are 10 students who there are 5 students who have scored 10 marks, and 7 students who have scored 20 marks, 8 students who have scored 30 marks, 6 students who have scored 40 marks, 4 students who have scored 50 marks. So here they have given the number of students who have scored some specific marks. So here, based on that, we have to find the mean for discrete series. How do we find the mean for discrete series? Solution. First, we need to write down the marks, and that is marks is x, small x. Okay, next we need to write down the students, that is f. F means frequency. Okay, marks are observations here. So now we need to have one more column. I will tell you later what is that. First, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's the marks. Okay, 10 marks is scored by 5 students, 7 students, 8 students, 6 students, and 4 students. Right, 5, 7, 8, 6, 4. 10 is scored by 5, 20 is scored by 7, 30 is scored by 8, 40 is scored by 6, and 50 is scored by 4. You know that they have given it in the question itself. Now what do we need to do is that to calculate mean, we have a formula. Mean, you know, no, x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by summation of f, or sigma fx divided by sigma f. Okay, or we use the formula like summation of fx divided by capital N. N here is nothing but total of f only. N is same as summation of f. Same, capital N here. Okay, when we were calculating mean, median, mode in individual series, then we were using small n, that means number of items. Here also number of items only, but we are taking the total of f, that is summation of f. That's why we are specifying here as capital N, so that we should not have any confusion during our examination. Okay, so now we need to add 5 plus 7, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 6, 26 plus 4, 30. We got the denominator, right? We got the denominator. Now we need the numerator. Numerator is fx. So now summation of fx, if we want, we need a column called fx, right? Fx means f column we need to multiply with x column. This is the f column, this is the x column. So now we need to multiply this with this. 10 into 5 is 50, 20 into 7 is 140, 30 into 8, 240, 40 into 6, 240, 50 into 4, 200. So here, this is what we need to do. We need to multiply x with f, then we will get fx. 10 into 5, 50, 20 into 7, 140, 30 into 8, 240, 40 into 6, 240, 50 into 4, 200. Now if we add up all these items, we will get the total, right? That is what summation of fx. Summation means add, addition of, total of, sum of, like that we say, no? That is total of fx is 50 plus 140 plus 240 plus 240 plus 200. So if we add up all these items, how much we get? 240, 240, 480, 5, 6, 680, 780, 820, 870 something we will get, right? 870 something we will get. Let me check it in a calculator once. 50 plus 140 plus 240 plus 240 plus 200 is 870. Yes. So now we got the numerator as well as denominator. When we have got this numerator and denominator here, what we need to do is that as per the formula we need to put it, right? Now mean is equal to summation of fx divided by summation of f is the formula. Summation of fx is 870, summation of f is 30. So now what is the answer? 870 divided by 30 is 29. 29 is the mean, right? So here we can write one sentence. Therefore the average marks of students is 29. Therefore average marks of students is 29. So we have got the answer. This is how we calculate mean for discrete series. Okay, so here I hope that you have understood how to calculate mean for discrete series. One more problem we will solve later. We will go with median. Let's take the problem 2 here. Here in the problem 2 you are seeing the following table shows the number of pens sold by a shop in a week. Find the mean. They have given the pen sold as X and they have given the frequency. Number 5 kind of pen is sold 4 times. Number 10 kind of pen is sold 6 times. Number 15 kind is sold 10 times. Okay. Number 20 pens are sold at 8 times in a week. Number 25 pens are sold at 22 times in a week. Means here, let's assume, let me make you clear here. Let's assume you have a shop. You have a stationery shop. In that stationery shop, one person comes and he bought 5 pens. Okay. So that is one frequency. Another in 1 week. In 1 week, 5 people are coming and they are buying 4 pens. Like that we have to understand. Okay. So now let's solve it. The question is not a matter. Solution is a matter. Okay. Solution. First we need to put it in X. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next, F. That is 4, 6, 10, 8, 2. Now, what do we need to put? We need to put a fx column, right? In fx column, 5 4s are 20, 10 6 are 60, 15 10s are 150, 28s are 160, 25 into 2 is 50. Now we need to have a total column here. Summation of f is 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 10 20, 28 30. Summation of f is 30. Summation of fx is 20 plus 60 80, 80 plus 150 is 230, plus 160 is 390, plus 50 is 240. Let me check the calculator once, because I don't want any kind of mistakes here when you are learning. 440, yes. So now we have a numerator as well as denominator. To know that, the formula here is x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by summation of f. So I have already said f summation of f is nothing but n. Okay, so here summation of fx is 440 and summation of f is 30. So mean is 440 divided by 30, 14.6. okay, or if we round up this figure, 15, correct? So we can write on an average in a week 14.6 pens are sold, okay, or 15 pens are sold. That is how you have to write down in a sentence in your examination. That will attract the evaluate. Okay, so this one you have to highlight 14.6 or 15. Okay, so then only you will get the good marks. This is for 5 marks. When we combine mean, median and mode of discrete series, that may come for 15 marks. Now in the next video I will be explaining you on calculation of median for discrete series. Thank you.